Hello, my dear students, my dear friends. How are you? I hope that you are well at your home. You are safe, and the COVID-19. You are because you are a very responsible and very awareness person. So, my dear students, now I am going to discussing about your examination, which are held in the month of September to November, and this exam is UGC NTA NEET June 2020. Okay, my dear friends, all you know that this exam is very important for your eligibility for a assistant professor and or for JRF. In this exam is going in very smooth way. The exam pattern is very easy. Only you have to make proper attention. You will be qualified. You will be get eligibility. So you have to make attention on my board. First of all, you should join our family, our YouTube channel, Parveen Sir Research Center. It is a very simple channel, not not a high level channel. This is a channel of a you see as a poor person, so it is a initiate. So but I give you a very good information to you, my dear students, my dear friends. First of all, you have to may subscribe and share for it. Okay, so today I am going to discussing about question pattern which are asking in the examination for UGC NET. You already know that this exam is initiate on 24th September as a morning shift 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. I am going to explain some questions from that day which are asking in the examination, which are very helpful to you when you are appearing in the examination. You have no any fear. So I am going to, for just 1 minute, the base and the concept for the paper 1. You already know that paper 1 is very responsible for the result as a UGC NET qualification. Okay, so this is very important session for you, and you also know that your syllabus include computer, people and environment, higher education, maths, data interpretation, reasoning, and research aptitude and teaching aptitude and communication. These are the base where question may be asked, and you have no fear from any section of paper 1. My dear students, today I am going to the main pattern which are asked in the paper 1. Which type of question are asked regularly, because same pattern will be followed first to last day. So my dear students, we are going to discussing about first of all maths question are very easy and very simple, and maths question are asking from the topic percentage. I see you have to see here only uh, just 1 minute. Maths, in this section question are asking from topic percentage. Very simple. Percentage, profit and loss, profit and loss, average and ratio. These are the very basic topic for the mathematics. The question include in this topic. Yesterday on 24th September in the morning shift, question are asked from the percentage, and that question are very simple. I already discussed in my classes as online, so you have no take any fear. Second, data interpretation. Data interpretation is also very simple. It is a very simple, very simple. You just know believe that DI is also too easy, because you have to see the table, see the graph, and you have to give the answer in a very short duration. Within a second you can do, because it is very simple. So you have no fear from 5 questions from this section, my dear students. Are you getting my point? Third, reasoning. Reasoning is very simple. Reasoning includes direction, which are asking yesterday exam, direction test, alphabet and number series. These are the very simple question from this section. Next, I am going to discuss about computer science. Computer is also a very important and very easy section of for paper 1. In this, question is asked as a, for example, if Python is what is Python? Python is language, search engine, program, this type of question. And question also takes what is the full form of CDROM, compact disk read only memory, which simple question. In the higher education, question asked very simple, that first open university is asked in, first open university was established in India 1980, 1982, 1985, 1990, then 1982. Yes, this is the answer. Very simple question are asking, but more question are asked from the section teaching aptitude, because teaching aptitude is the quality for assistant professor or any teaching staff or any teacher, college level, school level, whereas applicable. So teaching aptitude is the more important criteria for the teaching. So more question, I think 9 to 10 questions are asked. Students say me that 9 to 10 questions are asking from the teaching aptitude. You have to make proper attention on the research aptitude. Research. What is the step of research? Here one question is asked, a step of research. All research questions you think all are similar, but you have to make confused because you have no basic idea, no concept clearance. So all the question related as research is just similar. So you have to must focus on this topic, and also you have to focus on communication because it is also a very confusing and important section. Steps of communication you have already prepared, and a section people and environment. This is also a very simple but confusing. One question from yesterday I discussed to you that regarding carbon pollution, which was the largest carbon pollution, CH4, CO, CO2, this type of question. And many questions are included a very specific question from the environment section. Now you have no any fear, no any take header. So I discuss some mathematical question which are asking, for example, read of a, for example, of mathematical question which are asking yesterday, read of article is less by 20% and expenses is increased by 20%. What will be effect? What will be effect on expense? You already know that when 20% plus and again 20% minus, there is always be loss, always be decrease. What percent? 20 into 20 by 100, that means 4%. Very simple question are asked yesterday. Second question asked that there is a cube which side is 10 centimeter, which side is 10 centimeter. The side is increased by 1%. What is the effect on its volume? So very simple question are going to ask in your examination. You have to make proper attention on your paper 1. From tomorrow I will discuss a topic from the mathematics. If you are interested, if you understand my language, if you getting my point, I will be help to you from tomorrow. Okay? So no any take proper tension. You have to make only preparation, and you have should take positive at you. Okay, my dear students, I think you can understand my thoughts, my views. I am discussing about the exam pattern. Exam pattern is very easy. Which type of question are asked? I am discussing some question today. So you have to make proper attention. Thank you for seeing this video, and please share and subscribe my this small channel. Thank you again.